Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 75-gallon turtle tank is probably one of the most crucial investments you'll make for your shelled companions, promising a spacious and enriching environment. However, setting up the ideal habitat involves careful consideration of several key factors to ensure your turtle's health and happiness. From substrate selection and basking areas to filtration and water quality maintenance, creating a thriving aquatic ecosystem demands meticulous planning and attention to detail. Number 5. REPTI Zoo 85-gallon Reptile Tank. This spacious reptile tank offers ample room for your pet to thrive. Its wide and tall design is perfect for creating a natural habitat. With dimensions of 47.2 x 17.7 x 23.6, it's ideal for various reptiles and amphibians, from tortoises to snakes. The design allows for diverse terrarium setups. It's constructed from high-quality tempered glass for safety and sturdiness. The secure lid and locks prevent escapes and keep curious children safe. The sliding front doors allow easy access for feeding and cleaning. The screen top and side ventilation ensure proper airflow and humidity levels. Multiple wire inlets make managing equipment simple. The raised bottom frame accommodates a substrate heater for optimal temperature control. The all-glass design provides a 360 degrees view of your pet. It's also easy to assemble and comes with clear instructions. We use heavy-duty packaging to ensure safe delivery. Contact us if you have any questions. We offer free replacement for damaged parts. What we like. It boasts a spacious design perfect for active turtles. The strong, secure lid prevents escapes, keeping your pet safe. If you need a large, safe, and secure habitat for your turtle, this is the one for you. What people say. Firstly, these arrived quickly and in excellent shape with excellent packing and were not overly heavy or awkward. I looked at dozens of terrarium vivarium reptile habitat enclosures. I just couldn't purchase anything that can't hold a spill or will warp, that bugs could chew, would be melted or scratched very easily or is purely plastic and flexible. But this terrarium that is stackable and can hold water if I choose and has really nice components, including wire organizer keeper options and a tight-fitting lid, it's so nice. I'm very pleased with the quality and ease of construction and sturdiness of these terrariums. In the future, I could easily change the enclosure and make a higher humidity ecosystem with a water feature or even fish. Just what we wanted for our bear die. Great quality, fairly easy to put together, well packaged for shipping and very clean looking. I looked for a long time and did so much research. This was the terrarium that I decided on. I spent about the same amount of money on this one too, and this one is so much better quality and larger. The front opening makes it way easier to take her in and out and clean it. My kids have an easier time handling her as well. Very sturdy, easy to build, and plenty spacious for our leopard gecko and lots of things for her to crawl on. Number 4. AquaMiracle Aquarium Filter. It boasts a powerful 225 GPH flow rate and a 4-foot lift height, ensuring efficient filtration for your 40 to 70-gallon tank. Remember to choose the right filter size for your aquarium, it's crucial for optimal performance. This filter utilizes a 3-stage filtration system. It effectively removes large debris, odors, and fine particles, leaving your water crystal clear. The transparent design lets you easily monitor the filter media. It's completely submersible and features an epoxy-sealed motor for added safety. Rigorous testing ensures worry-free operation for you and your aquatic pets. Unlike many other filters, it includes an air venturi and tubing to increase oxygen levels in your tank. This is vital for the health and well-being of your fish. For larger tanks, consider using 2 filters for complete coverage. Place them in opposite corners for even water circulation and superior filtration. It features a dual water outlet for even distribution. Replacing the filter sponges is simple. Just search for B09W23YJD7 to find replacements and keep your filter running efficiently. What we like. This filter ensures crystal clear water for your turtle's environment. The aeration feature adds vital oxygen to the tank. If you prioritize water quality and oxygenation for your turtle, this filter is a must-have. What people say. Several months of use and it's still running strong. It's very easy to clean and works mounted horizontally. I use it in my turtle tank. It works amazing, the size is decent, it's not hard to clean at all and you can control the noise level. Amazing filter, tank is clean and fish are all happy. The only negative I would say is when the air feature is on, it is a bit noisy, but still a huge upgrade from the big bulky filter I was using before. Number 3. DWVO Heavy Duty Aquarium Stand. This sturdy stand is perfect for your large aquarium, providing reliable support and ample storage. It's designed to hold tanks up to 75 gallons. Its reinforced legs and anti-tip design ensure your aquarium remains secure. It can support up to 860 pounds, giving you peace of mind. This 2-in-1 stand maximizes your space. You can keep your main tank on top and additional equipment or a smaller tank neatly below. Keep your aquarium supplies organized with a spacious cabinet and adjustable shelves. It's the perfect place for food, tools, and more. Easily install the included power outlets to conveniently connect your aquarium lights, heater, and filter. Setup is a breeze. The elegant white and walnut finish adds a touch of sophistication to any room. It's a beautiful addition to your home. What we like. This stand is incredibly sturdy and can support a large tank. It also offers convenient storage for all your turtle supplies. If you need a reliable and functional stand with extra storage, this is perfect. What people say. Very sturdy. Easy assembly and it's aesthetically pleasing. Very sturdy, stable, metal, steel, framing, so I know it supports by 200 plus lbs of aquarium without risk of bowing or breaking. Lots of storage options. The metal on the door and top shelf are sturdier than I expected, and the door has a magnet option, which is great. Number 2. Okköbi Turtle Aquarium Kit. It's the perfect starter kit for your little aquatic friend. Everything you need is included, from a filter and light to a basking platform. Setting it up is a breeze. Personalize it with your own decorations to create a natural habitat for your turtle. Keeping it clean is simple thanks to the efficient filter and easy-to-clean glass panels. A clean tank means a happy turtle. It provides plenty of room for swimming, basking, and climbing, encouraging natural behaviors and healthy exercise. Your turtle's safety is our priority. The sturdy construction and secure heating lamp ensure a safe environment. What we like. This complete kit includes everything you need to get started with a turtle. It's simple to set up, even for beginners. If you're new to turtle keeping and want a convenient starter kit, this is ideal. What people say. The tank itself is good quality, but this starter package is poor. The filter heater combo doesn't have a UK plug on it and isn't safe to use. The power lead is short, so placement of this is limited. This tank has completely exceeded my expectations in terms of both aesthetics and functionality. The crystal clear glass provides an unobstructed view of my aquatic pets, allowing me to observe their behavior and interactions with ease. The spacious design gives my turtles plenty of room to swim and explore, promoting their overall health and well-being. Plus, the durable construction ensures that the tank will last for years to come. A very spacious, generous-sized turtle tank, this is a great setup for anyone that wants to own a or some turtles. It comes with a basking platform, heater, light and filter. That's literally everything you need for a startup. The quality feels great and not flimsy at all. Number 1. AquaMiracle Aquarium Filter. It boasts a max flow rate of 300 gallons per hour, easily handling tanks from 40 to 150 gallons. This ensures your aquarium stays clean and healthy. It's completely submersible and rigorously tested for safety. You can confidently place it in your tank without worry. It features a 3-stage filtration process, removing large debris, odors, and fine particles. The transparent casing lets you easily monitor the filter media. Choose between aeration mode for increased oxygen or rainfall mode for gentle water circulation. Both are adjustable to your needs. It's perfect for fish tanks, turtle tanks, or even small ponds. It can be positioned vertically or horizontally, ensuring optimal performance. It offers an adjustable flow rate to cater to various tank sizes and inhabitants. You can customize it to perfectly suit your aquatic life. What we like. This filter offers adjustable flow rate and a rainfall mode for customized water circulation. It's also versatile enough for various aquatic setups. If you desire precise water control and a versatile filter, this is your best choice. What people say. The filter worked exceptionally well right out of the box. Within a few hours of setting it up, my tank was sparkling clean. It effectively removed debris and impurities, leaving the water crystal clear and healthy for my fish. Water cleared up quick. Turtle loves the rainfall mode. It seems to be a good filter and I liked how there wasn't anything to truly replace. You could rinse things off and the spinny bit came out so you could finally actually clean that area too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.